whatever. We've already done like half the trek over to Safeway, but we're about to do our slide video, and we forgot glue. So
fucking stupid. Oh my god.
So we're on our way to Safeway to get some glue. Check out the slime video, and that's probably not going to be out by the time. Okay guys, the back to school stuff is over here. Okay guys, we're here in Safeway. Gummy Yums! No, I must resist. Okay. Get the clear one.
There's only one clear one.
There's more over here.
Yeah, right?
Oh shoot! I can pay for these probably.
Oh my god.
Actually, no, I can't.
Okay, I'll pay for the rest.
Look it!
It's so cute.
That's so cute. Look at that, guys. Okay, we got the goods. Is there any more, like...
Be bright.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go pay. Let's go.
My head itches.
If you have your club card, please scan it now. Scan items one at a time.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. Wait, no, chill out here for a little bit. We're gonna chill out here for a little bit because I'm hot and I'm still sweating. Okay. Put it back on.
Yes, we're rolling.
Hold it still. Ow. Okay, let's get rolling. No, my leg. But ow, I'm stuck. Ow, ow.
You're twitchy.
Keep going. Okay. Where's that money? Really nice. And people like, they were like, no, not guys, I'm here. Hey.
You're really annoying to me.
What?
Yeah.
Why are you pushing me out of the car? Who are you? Why do you keep recording me? This random woman put me in her car and is pushing me.
This animal was not in my car. I'm just trying to shop.
Just run. No. Run, go, go, go.
Look at those ice creams.
Whoa.
Sorry, I really like creamsicles.
What, cream? We don't have enough money. Spider-Man! I remember doing that all the time in Costco.
Alright, I don't know what I was trying to do. Upside down, smart. Oh my god.
I was saying down smart. Don't yet. Just because we're funny and cool doesn't mean we can. No, where are you going? No, 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 no. Okay. Just because we're funny and cool doesn't mean we can interact with other people's experiences. Okay. Listen, kids. They see me rolling. They hate it. Make sure everybody can see our receipt so they know we're not stealing.
Wait behind.
Wait behind proud guys. We take pride in what we do here. Don't run into that. Yeah, we take pride in what we do, guys. Where are you going? Okay. You're gonna run into something. I want flowers. Yes, we can't have everything. I like these ones. Oh, can you hear me? No. You want to smell them? Yeah. Stop and smell the flowers, guys. Oh, not much. Huh?
A little bit lighter.
I hope so. What? Whatever, it's fine. Just come on. They smell like vegetables. Let's go, guys. Owie, my knees hurt. Okay. Yeah. Do you have money? Maybe. You should forgive us for spending money if you get a kombucha. look, look, look.
$2.99 premium strawberries.
It's all the counts.
Well, you said 12. I said 12. Where am I down next week? Pretty soft in location.
Why?
Or, I'm not trying to location.
Okay. We're right in the way of the rock.
You're right.
Gosh, you're so inconsiderate.
I know.
Can you move me?
I'm trying my hardest right now. You're just like literally fast.
No, I'm not. Shut up. You see mountain mix?
Yeah.
What's trail mix?
There's nothing.
Oh, that's trail mix.
Picture. Let me get right.
Okay, she responded that fast.
Yeah.
Jeez. I wish my mom loved me that much.
I'm joking, Mom. I love you. Yogis. I love yogis.
You're built like a yogi.
What?
Miss Vicky's? I love Miss Vicky's. We're such a nuisance. Bang! Bang! Oh shoot, I forgot. Leave me. How much? Can you go on the store one more time, please? Yeah. Good thing we are under the beach. Such a good daughter, I'm so proud of you. That's enough for the dollar store. Yeah. The dollar store's by my house out here, so your mom won't let us cross the freaking intersection or something.
Okay, after one more round around Frozen, we're gonna and Spider-Man. We're gonna go back, and then we'll start fully. I was talking to them, not you. We know what we're doing.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Sorry. What'd you just call me? You don't know that? No, you don't. You're not my pastor. What'd you just call me? You're the nuisance. Nuisance. I wish you got neutered. Look at the turtle. Turds. Why'd you just like get a speed boost? Go to the ice cream again, please. Let us see if your smiley face is still there.
Yeah.
My head is still like my scalp is still really hot. You're gonna run into the glass.
I know my ways around these cars.
That boy.
Stop.
Ow! Move back. Okay. Okay. Forward. 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 Film.
Now look over here. Ready, guys? You have to blow air on it. Hey, that's me. Spider-Man. Ew, oh my god, that feels really good. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Jeez. How are we? Did you guys get any more pink drinks? Did you guys get any more pink drinks?
No.
I don't want to get out. Okay, hold.
Look at her go.
If I fall, catch me.
POV childbirth. My hand's really shaky right now. I don't know why.
That was fun. Let's head back home now. Look at that cool car. Sorry if I just doxed you. Okay, meet you guys back at the bikes. Transition. Transition. Hey guys, we're back. At the bikes, and I'm sweating my balls off.
They're really fun.
If you've made it this far, make sure to follow, like, and subscribe,
And comment and share. I think that's gonna be it for this. We just wanted to what's the word? Document our journey. So make sure to check out our slime video. We can't promise will be out
Anytime.
when this is posted.
It will not. It will be out in the next 2 months. Why do you have your flash on?
I don't know. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I just had to let you know you're